Hi, it's Debbie with I'd Rather Be Camping. I thought I would pop on here and give you a little tip to help your laundry come out smelling good and soft on a budget. Some people probably already know this, but I thought I would share it. Let me show you what I have here. I'm bending down so you don't cut my head off, but these pink Zote bars, I get these from Walmart. When I do my grocery order, I'll order one once in a while. They used to be like super cheap, like I think they were like $1.39 a bar. They're big bars. I think they're like, I want to say a couple dollars a bar, close to it anyway. So you will need this, and I put some of this in it. This actually isn't this. I bought some of those OxiClean, I'm not sure what brand it is, from the Dollar Tree, and I dump them in here. It's just easier for me in this tub, because you just put a couple tablespoons of that in there. You can use laundry powder too. I just do that so when you're done grating this, it doesn't stick. I'm reusing the jars I've been using. I need to just get one bigger jar because this one bar will fill both of these canning jars. Whoops. So what you're gonna do, let me fix my camera so you can see what I'm doing. Ed got home, so I put him in charge of videoing. So I wouldn't have to move my tripod around. But anyway, so I unwrapped the Zote bar, and I'm going to be using this little shredder here. But you can do this by hand too. It's just, hey, why not? I have this. So I'm going to cut a slice of this off that will fit in here. And just going to So on some of that I fast forwarded so you get the point. Anyway, so what you have is nice little pink shreds, and what I'm going to do is I put some of this, let me turn my dishwasher off, be noisy. Anyway, I'm going to put some of it in my jar. Those are the jars I've been using. I think I'm going to switch to one larger jar. All I need is like a pickle jar, right? One of those big ones. And when I got about half of it in there or so, I just sprinkle some of this on there. Let's see if I can do this a little faster. If I take it out of there. And you just put it in here. You can also, like I said, put the laundry detergent in there instead of this OxiClean. But I just have this powder, so.
Keeps it from sticking together.
Yeah. Oops. But it smells really good. Dump the dishwasher again. Anyway, these extra little pieces, I will stick them back in there and continue to shred. That's what I'm going to do right now, and then I'll get back to you. Here's my two jars. You're probably wondering how much to use. Now, when I do my laundry, I do big loads on there, and I probably use, and what I do is I just take the lid off and I shake it in there. Probably comes out to maybe 3 tablespoons or so. Yeah, I probably overuse it. But it smells good. The warm and hot water dissolves this, and it just leaves the clothes soft, and it smells good. I don't know how this would work if you did a load in cold. I don't know if this would dissolve. What do you think, Ed?
I don't think so.
I don't either. So
You have to be at least warm water, I would think.
I would think so. And I think what I'm going to do is get bigger jars so I can do 2 or 3 of these bars at one time and have quite a bit made, because it does last. And what I do is I just take and soak my stuff I used in hot, warm water and let it dissolve, and then I throw it in the dishwasher. But I thought I would share that with you. I hope if this is something you're looking for, it is budget friendly. It's really inexpensive to make, and it does really work. So hope that helps you out. Bye-bye.